Hi guys, Shamith this side. I'm about to catch a cab to my office, and since I am an engineer based out of Bangalore, it takes quite a lot of time for me to reach office, which I don't want to be wasted. So I'm gonna create a request, trying to get a few EC2 and AWS related resources provisioned for me. So let me share my screen and walk you guys through the experience. Awesome. So let's start by creating a general service request. So today, late evening, we're going to do some testing on our staging environment. So I want a new uh, environment to be configured, pretty similar to one of the other lower environments that we already have. So I'm going to go ahead and enter a brief description of what kind of resources I want. Awesome. I'm going to go ahead and create this in the CloudOps workspace. Let's hit submit and see what happens. Awesome. So the workspace manager has been assigned to this request. In this case, it's the cloud operations rising agent, and that is currently finding out the most appropriate coworker that can pick up this request. If I go into the events of what's happening within this run for the workspace manager agent, I can see that it's reading the request description, who it's raised by, and a bunch of relevant things for it to pinpoint exactly which coworker should be picking this up. Okay, so as we see, the manager agent has posted an internal comment telling me that it's assigning this request to a cloud infrastructure engineer, which specializes in these kind of AWS related provisioning. And right off the bat, that agent, which is specialized in doing this, has picked up this request and is going about trying to read what are my requirements, trying to get a fair understanding. And I believe in a few minutes, it should do a quick scan on what exists on our AWS right now and come back to me with the finer details that it needs. Okay, so it's been a couple of minutes, and the coworker seems to have given us a comment. If I go to the nice view, I can see what all it has done. So it's called the AWS MCP tools to check exactly what already exists and what it needs to provision for me. And it seems to have posted a comment saying that it has reviewed what has been already set up in the US West 2 region, which I wanted. And it has given me a breakdown of the resources that it's going to create for me, the network configuration, and the kind of CLI tools that it's going to execute for me. Awesome. And it's also asking me to confirm. So I'm quickly going to give it a thumbs up. Okay, I've given it a thumbs up. It should go about executing these. I'll check back in a bit. So I'm back in office, and let's quickly check upon what the status of this request is, because I see I got a notification that this request has been resolved, which is good. Um,
This is super cool.